Hello to everyone. Today I will show what I add to my parrot twice a week. So what we have here, it's bell pepper. As you see, we got orange, we got beets, we got cucumber, I'm sorry, carrot, cucumber. Okay, so that's basically what I give them every 2 days. Sometime I give apple too, it depends what I have. So as you see, orange, they love it, carrot, cucumber, bell pepper, and beets. So that's basically what I give them, add to what I usually give them. They love it. If you have any question about my parrot and how to raise them, I'd be more than happy to answer you. So please, thank you again for watching my video.